Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty. Today we're going to show you that 4270 Cyclone. Is a big rig, it's a toy hauler. As you can see, there's a lot to talk about. From the get-go you can see your porch in a way, your deck up here. The big huge power awning, there's two of them. Depends on where you're sitting, you know, maybe there's a tree in the way. This way you will always have an awning with your outside speakers. Let's walk inside and show you a couple of things. It's a very open floor, really welcoming, big, huge, everything's big in this rig. Big, huge TV, as you can see. Down here you got your counter, you know, stools. Really nice range. And you have an oven also in this one. This is the new stuff. So this is really cool for a hauler. Big sink, not the ones that divides. You know, this is just one big for big pots, what have you. Right here, you're gonna look at the big residential fridge. I like this one where it's lower for some reason, you know, sinking in there, and you can reach and see all that good stuff in the freezer, in the fridge. Tall, short people, you know, pretty cool. Let's go in the garage, and again, more stuff into the garage from your TV, of course. Look at that, folks. There's a bathroom right here with a sink. Really nice designs. I like the color scheme on these. And as you walk around, if we want to look up here, there is a loft in a way. There is in a way a bedroom with your own lights. Everything's ducted. AC is up there and all that. As we go down here, again, there you are. You're out there with a big, huge awning in the back. Pretty nice stuff. I mean, this is it says Dunes all over it. So let's walk in there and show you into the bedroom. This is a long rig. Nice couch. Look at that. 5 people in a row. Nice couch. I like this couch a lot with cup holders. Big, huge. Look at this. These windows. You can see everywhere from here. Pretty nice. I like this room here. Let's go in the bedroom here up here. And as you go into the bedroom, of course, again, another TV with a nice slide out. This slide out, all of this slide out is closet space, folks. It's pretty cool. So a hanger, you can hang anything that you want in there. More closet space all throughout. Again, this big, huge windows. I mean, I can't talk enough about this. It's pretty cool. As you go in the bathroom here, it's a tub. Some people like enclosed showers. This one has the tub. Nice access. There is 2 doors, so this way you can have some privacy as we go out of here. Let's go outside and talk some more. Again, you can see what was this designed for, really for fun and a bunch of people actually. So your deck right here again with a big TV up there. You can see that cubby right there. Outside speakers one more time. If we go down here, there is a triple axle. There's a triple axle 5th wheel toy hauler with an auto level. So push a button, you're gonna be leveled just fine wherever you're at. Another door in the back. This door was in the garage. As we go around here, we also showed you the awning. This is the other awning in the back, in the rear here, with a deck up here. Again, this toy hauler has a lot to offer. As we go through, we're gonna see our ladder. So you can go up there, you know, check for debris, what have you. That's pretty cool. You got your fueling station down here. And of course, 2 tanks right there. One more time, this is the big huge couch. That's the slide out for the couch. As we go, and over here, that's the slide that was the storage. Okay, let's look here in the basement. 1 hub outside shower, some storage into it, not a lot, but it's enough for a toy hauler, of course. Again, there's a lot to talk about. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.